friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a fantastic water feeder. You need only these materials to make it: an empty water bottle, nut and bolt, glue and plastic lid. And if you need to hang it on the branch, you need a plastic sheet or wooden ripper and an iron string. Let's check it out how to make a fantastic water feeder for birds. You can also try this at your home. Watch and enjoy. You can also hang it like this. This will be very useful for birds. And if you have pets at your home, you can also try this.